Assalamu alaikum. I am engineer M.Magdy, and today we will discuss about how to prepare welding procedure specification. Assalamu alaikum. What are the main references for preparing welding procedure specifications? This section contains requirements for the qualification of welders and welding operators, material joining processes they use during welding. For the construction of component under the rules of ASME boiler and pressure vessel code like ASME 8 division 1 and other codes. Any conflict between ASME 9 and construction code will be superintended. Procedure specifications WPS. Procedure specification is a written document provide the directions to the welder about base metal grade, filler metal classification, preheat temperature. Procedure specification used and qualified by an organization having the responsibility for controlling the welding operations or by a standard WPS. The procedure qualification record is a written document records what occurred during the production of test coupon from a project like base metal from the same material of the project, filler metal from the filler metal of this project, and welding conditions of this project like preheat, post-weld heat treatment. Okay, if this test coupon passed tensile test and bend test, it's demonstrated that the joining process proposed for construction is capable of producing joint having the required mechanical properties for the intended application. This PQR is successfully to make the welding procedure specification. Thank you.